Is the aggravation of sanding slowing you down? Are you providing your workpiece with the best finish? Introducing the newly redesigned 1632 drum sander from Jet. The Jet 1632 drum sander delivers everything you need for an effortless finish. The design and construction of the die-cast drum carriage is built to give you the rigidity you need for years of consistent work. Increasing the stability of the drum sander, the stand features a 20-inch by 37-inch footprint with a built-in storage shelf. The variable speed rate permits you to choose the optimal feed rate for a full range of projects, while the SandSmart feature continuously monitors the load on the drum motor to prevent an overload situation. You will never have to worry about crowning an oversized workpiece again. The innovative toolless parallelism adjustment system is designed so that you never have to maneuver the drum. The work table is easily positioned by an intuitive turn of the parallelism dial, keeping adjustments simple, and the built-in quick stop indicates when your table is parallel to the drum. The mirrored design of the dust hood optimizes dust collection, preventing chips and dust from getting between your workpiece and the finish. And when it's time to change your abrasive, the toolless take-up clips and roomy carriage make getting back to work a piece of cake. Backed by Jet's industry-leading 5-year warranty, the Jet 1632 drum sander is engineered to provide the effortless finish every project deserves. Visit jettools.com to see more information and find a dealer.